Hey, it's Jonathan with Mobility Lift Aids. Here is a 2014 Dodge Grand Caravan SE with 60,478 miles. This van has been converted by ATS. This has a rear entry manual conversion. Now we have a manual hatch here in the back. Let's go ahead and reach here. Open that up. And we have two latches here on the side. Very easy one-handed operation here. And we'll go ahead and let the ramp down. Now this is a 34-inch wide ramp, and we do have a 56-inch opening height at the entrance. Now closing it up, just as easy. Just pick up the ramp. It is spring assisted. Once it comes in, I'm just gonna go ahead and put these latches right back down. Very simple use. Take a look at the driver's area. Now for the age and the mileage of this vehicle, it's actually very, very clean. This is a 14 again. That's just over 10 years old. Now, we only have 60,478 miles. It's getting more and more rare to see vans this generation where you can, get a van that's under $30,000, that's functional, that's gonna do an amazing job transporting your loved one or serving your company for transport. If you have any questions on this van, give us a call, 713-939-9922. You can also reach us online at texaswheelchairvan.com. Thank you.